Okay, so elbow in, chest up. As soon as you see that dot, pass over to this dot. Get over here for that shot. Ready? Go. Boom, come on over. Yeah. All right. Good. Go for it. Do it again. Ready? Go. Boom, there's the pass.
That was great that you were trying to get it with your stick, right? But it does that hit service as a goaltender. If you here, you go up with it, and then what's happening with my body, just like you felt, right? When you're falling forward, it's hard because then if it's up somewhere, you have to get back up and then go. So this stick, you come down here, elbow is in, elbow is in, up here. Now, if that puck goes over there, and I can get it with my grip, my wrist, feel my wrist finger, your wrist finger too. Right here. You can get in this blade, so right here. You're just using it more. You're not poking on it. So, once you just get down to your butterfly right here, I really want to get down.
Do you look cool? Do you look cool? Oh, okay. You should be like, yeah, I look really cool. You know, you want to be confident, you know. Alright. So which one's in there? Okay. Alright. So looking on that stick right here, right? Yeah, and you're pushing down on it too, right? So you can have strength. Okay, so I'm going to be shooting it at the kind of your feet, kind of your skates. I'm going to shoot it towards that way, okay? Here we go, ready? Good. Good. All right, that's okay. That was a harder one. You got to really push over than that, okay? But on that too, if you don't feel you can get it with your skate, kick that leg out, make the save, right? Biggest thing is making the save here too. Okay, all right, ready? Good, there we go. You got the football going too with the stick. That's awesome. Here we go. Nice, there you go. You got the